A team of experts looking into the available research on the coronavirus have come to a conclusion that there is strong evidence the primary transmission route of the virus is indeed airborne. The team published their assessment in the Lancet journal after studies, including a recent one funded by the World Health Organization, found the evidence inconclusive. Dr. Trisha Greenhall of the University of Oxford, lead author of the paper, told the Indian Express that taking into account the study's assessment, public health measures need to be modified. Dr. Greenhall said that ventilation of closed spaces needs to be put front and center, including opening windows, air filtration when necessary, and attention to what the Japanese call the 3 Cs. Avoid close contact, crowded places, and closed or poorly ventilated spaces. The 6 experts from the UK, US, and Canada identified 10 streams of evidence that collectively support the hypothesis that SARS-CoV-2 primarily transmits through the airborne route. 1. Super spreading events like concerts, rallies, and cruise ships account for substantial SARS-CoV-2 transmission, and such events may be the pandemic's primary drivers. 2. Long-range transmission of SARS-CoV-2 between people in adjacent rooms has been documented in quarantine hotels, but never in each other's presence. 3. Asymptomatic or pre-symptomatic transmission from people who are not coughing or sneezing is likely to account for up to 59% of all transmission globally and is a key way the virus has spread around the world. 4. Transmission of SARS-CoV-2 is higher indoors than outdoors and is substantially reduced by indoor ventilation, supporting a predominantly airborne route of transmission. 5. New infections have been documented in healthcare organizations where there have been strict contact and droplet precautions and use of PPE designed to protect against droplet but not aerosol exposure. 6. Viable SARS-CoV-2 has been detected in the air. In laboratory experiments, the virus stayed infectious in the air for up to 3 hours, while in another study it was detected in air samples from an infected person's car. 7. SARS-CoV-2 has been identified in air filters and building ducts in hospitals with COVID-19 patients. Such locations could be reached only by aerosols. 8. Studies involving infected caged animals that were connected to separately caged uninfected animals via an air duct have shown transmission of SARS-CoV-2 that can be adequately explained only by aerosols. 9. No study conducted so far has provided strong or consistent evidence to refute the hypothesis of airborne transmission. Lastly, the study says there is limited evidence to support other dominant routes of transmission, that is respiratory droplet or formite.